Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander SE in alloy silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot warning, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 9-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, hands-free power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8137.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.